This is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford Bronco Sport in a Big Bend trim and powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. Looking into the back, where you have a spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats with tie-down points with little lassos on them on either side. 12-volt power outlet, power button for your rear lights, which can be articulated to shine where you need them. And then underneath the rugged cargo floor, you have your full-size spare with some extra room around it. Looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with a partial cloth and wetsuit material interior, fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as a USB and USB-C down there. And the backs of the seats have MOLLE rigging that you can hook equipment onto. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your car. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip information, My View with a digital speedometer, driver assistance features and settings, your Now Playing, phone controls, and further information about your vehicle. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Moving down, you have your media controls, auto start, stop, shut off, and hazards, and then this little tray area, and your climate controls with heated front seats so you can stay warm. Below that, you have this tray area with a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet. And then your main shifter on a dial, very convenient, easy to use. Parking brake, brake hold, two cup holders, GOAT modes or drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and deep and sand. And then last but not least, you have your center compartment / armrest with another USB and USB-C inside. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.